guys, it's Tajir. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So I'm back. I just took a little break since after my spooktorial videos. I just, I'm not really in the best headspace, but I was like, I really want to film a video for you guys. So I'm here, and today we're just going to be doing a warm and cozy makeup look. So like a brown, like espresso type makeup look, but I'm just calling it warm and cozy because it's actually not that cold outside. I was gonna say because it's cold outside, so we need some warm and cozy vibes, but it's actually not that cold outside, but that's okay. Maybe it's cold where you live. Actually, it's kind of cold right now. It's like, it'll be hot, it'll be 80 degrees, and then it'll be 60 degrees. So like, you just never know what the day will bring. But anyways, yeah, in today's video, we're going to be doing a warm and cozy makeup tutorial. If you want to see how I achieved that look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows off camera, and now we're just gonna set my eyelids with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer. I'm just gonna blend that out with a Real Techniques beauty sponge. I'm just gonna take this Rimmel London Stay Matte Pressed Powder and just set my eyes with this. And for eyeshadow, we're going to take the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place. And first, we're just going to take the first brown shade in the palette. I'm going to take that on a BH Cosmetics tapered blending brush. And we're just going to put that on the outer corner of the eye and blend it into the crease. And now I'm going to take Kafuru, which is like a dark burgundy shade, and put that on the outer corner of my eye on this brush. I don't really know. It's kind of just like a small blending brush, but it's a little bit pressed. I'm gonna take Zama, which is like an orange shade, on like a big flat brush and just put that next to that shade on the lid. I'm gonna take Zav, which is a white shade, and I'm just gonna set that concealer with that. I want to darken up this outer corner a little bit, so I'm gonna take Walzana and just put that on the outer corner with that same ABH brush. I'm gonna take the LA Girl Gel eyeliner and I'm gonna just line my eyelid with this. I'm not gonna do a wing. I'm gonna blend it out a little bit. That's so cute. Okay, so I did my other eye off camera, and now we're just gonna do foundation and stuff. I already primed my face. I just used this Makeup Revolution Matte and Fix primer, and then I also used a little bit of this Makeup Revolution glass skin primer. So now I'm just gonna take this Rimmel London Multitasker Concealer, and I'm just gonna conceal my dark spots. I'm also gonna take it and just sharpen up that eyeshadow look. I'm gonna blend that out. Oh, and that is in the shade Tan Ochre. So for our foundation, I'm gonna use the Fit Me foundation in the shade 334, and I usually, this is how I do it. I take the foundation, right, flat brush, dip the brush in the foundation, and then I just put it on my face. This has always been how I use this foundation. That's just kind of the drill of it. And I like to do the top of my face first. I don't know why. I'm just weird that way, except I just put a little bit more on my dark spots, like especially around my mouth. And then I'm just gonna blend that out with a beauty sponge. I love this foundation. Doesn't it look so good? My forehead, okay, so it's so weird. Sometimes my forehead looks a little like lighter, like around, but we're gonna contour, so it doesn't really matter. Now for concealer, really quickly, I'm just gonna take that multitasker concealer again and put some on my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin. For under my eye, I'm gonna use a lighter one because I like a bright under eye. So I'm gonna take the Rimmel Stay Matte Concealer in the shade Ivory. I'm gonna let the concealer sit under my eyes a little bit, and I'm gonna take this Espresso Stick Foundation by ABH. I'm just gonna cream bronze with this. And I'm gonna take this Real Techniques cheek brush. I love this brush for blending out cream, like contour and bronzer. Now I'm gonna blend out my under eye concealer. I always take it up the side of my nose. Okay. And now I'm gonna take the Rimmel London Stay Matte Pressed Powder on a powder puff and just set my under eyes with that. Now I'm gonna take the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Java, and I'm just gonna I'm just gonna powder bronze with this. So now for under eyes, we're just gonna take a very small flat brush and we're gonna take Kafuru. I'm gonna put that on the outer part of the eye and just blend it into the top. And then on a different brush, we're gonna take Zama and put that under the rest. And then again, on a different brush, we're gonna take Zaz again, which is the white, and put that in my inner corner. Beautiful. Okay. And now for lips, I'm gonna do my other under eye on TikTok, so just ignore that for now. For lips, I'm gonna line my lips with Kafuru. Sometimes I line my lips with eyeshadow. And then I think I might just put a gloss on top of that. I'm not quite sure yet, but I'm gonna put on some setting spray, which I'm gonna use the NYX Matte Finish setting spray. Okay guys, so I just went off camera, put on a lash, put on a gloss. This gloss is glossy. It is the Juvia's Place It's Glass lip gloss, which it speaks for itself. But anyways, yeah, this is the finished warm and cozy makeup look. It's definitely full glam, but I think it's really pretty. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you liked it, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff is on the screen right here. It will also be linked down below in the description box. If you want to watch another video, those will also be linked down below. It'll also be linked at the end of this video. I really appreciate it. And yeah, I don't really know what else to say. Thank you guys truly so much for watching, and I truly hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.